So for question 26, how should we start this? What is our first step?
U equals 5x squared.
Okay, so pick out a u. Probably going to be 5x squared. We can try that. And then somebody else, what comes next? Okay, so that would be du and 10x dx. Then, using these pieces, we need to see how close we are to making replacements here. So I guess instead of calling this the cube root of 5x squared, we could call it the cube root of u. And then, can I just call the rest of this du this time? Why not?
Because du is not equal to x.
Right, so look at what you have. You have x dx. I really think your best approach is to write down what you have. Looks like this side needs to divide by 10, so this side has to divide by 10. So you can only replace x dx with 1/10 du. I don't know why students don't like to try to do this third step, but if you make a habit out of doing that one more step, it's no harder than an algebra 1 step. And you're not going to mess up where this 1/10 comes from. Okay, so we get to reinforce basic integration, but we have done the u substitution part now. We could rewrite this guy as u to the negative 1/3, I guess. And to integrate him, we could raise the power by 1, divide by the new power, put a plus c, because there could be a constant. You always need the plus c if it's an indefinite integral when you don't have the bounds. And it looks like we get 3/20 times u to the 2/3 plus c. I believe that to be correct. So on an assessment, if that answer choice was there, I would probably pick it. But if I had extra time, which oftentimes you guys do, you should check by taking the derivative. So if I brought the power down, I would have 1/10 this, lower the power by 1, times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of the constant is 0, times 10 divided by 10 cancels, and I'm left with an x that I want. And if I move this to the denominator, I would have a 1 over the cube root of 5x squared, which I want, and I don't have anything else. So by taking the derivative, you can be 100% sure that your work is correct. Okay, anything that jumps out at you about 26 that you want to ask?